Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edward Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're noticing games are stuttering and freezing, acting unresponsive or lagging in Windows 11. And without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So dito ay kailangan mo lang mag-right click and then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then i-click mo lang tong yes. And then dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na dism /online /image /RestoreHealth, and then copy lang natin yan. And then next step ay i-paste natin dito. So kung paano natin yan i-paste, so dito lang sa taas, so right click ka lang, and then select mo lang dito yung edit, and then click mo lang itong paste. Ayan, and then press mo yung enter. Automatic yan mga kaibigan. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintayin na ma-complete yung 100% verification. Okay, so makikita mo dito na the restore operations completed successfully. And the next command keyword na kailangan natin i-type ay type lang natin ang sfc /scannow. So one word yung /scannow, and in all small letter siya. And then press mo lang yung enter. So makikita mo dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verification phase of system scan. So kailangan ulit natin na hintayin na ma-complete ang 100% verification. Okay, so makikita mo dito na verification 100% complete. So ang next step natin gagawin ay dito lang sa start menu, and then kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix games stuttering and freezing in Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.